Alright y'all, to remove this alternator, you gotta take this bolt out and this bolt out. This one, all it is the star, and this star, what size is this? The star is a T50. T50 star. T50 star in there, just takes out. T50 star here, and a 15mm wrench to hold it after you take the belt off. So after you take that, take those bolts, or before you take them, you gotta undo the wires in the back also. I forgot to say that. Removing the wires is self-explanatory. Dang, y'all. Hey, again, I told you it's just them 2 bolts to get it out. But there's one more in the back. And I was prying and prying on this thing, couldn't get it to come out. Dadgum. And that was it. That's it right there. You got to pay attention. I reckon that's about all you can say. Alright. So I got that one out. Got this long one out. Now I'm about to pull it out when I disconnected the wire. Put the nut back so I wouldn't lose it. Well, y'all, I'm taking this compressor out just because it doesn't hurt. I've already disconnected the evaporator. And so even though I'm changing headers and spark plugs and spark plug wires, I'm going to move this out of my way too because I don't need it here. Alright? And the reason I'm bringing it up, tell you what I did. Took these two, loosen these, and that piece, well, mine broke off, so I didn't actually loosen this one, it's already broke. But loosen this one and then slid it out, because it's slotted right here. It's not holes, it's slotted. So once you loosen these two, it just slides. And now I have access to the 4 bolts on the compressor. Loosening these 2 here from the, that's for the ASR. I gotta take that ASR off.